Hello, friends. Welcome to TriBecca Designs on Vacation. My name is Rebecca, and I love to sew pretty little things so that I can have them to wear in beautiful places just like this one. This is El Dorado Royal Casita, situated in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Be sure and check the link in the description for more information on this beautiful resort. So when I told you guys that I had a very special place that I wanted to model this sheer two-piece ensemble in, this is what I had in mind. I made this sheer two-piece skirt and blouse for the 2023 Sew Frugal Sewing Challenge that was on Instagram. The fabric was a bed sheet that I purchased from my local thrift shop. Each piece can be styled separately, and the blouse can be worn on or off the shoulder. Let's rewind the clock for a moment and go back to my creative sewing space where I utilized my Cricut Maker to create some text that will be featured on the day look of this next ensemble. The halter top features straps that are crisscrossed in the back, along with these really cute matching shorts. Last summer, I uploaded a beginner-friendly full tutorial on my channel on how to make a simple pair of shorts. If you're interested in taking a look at that video, there is a link in the description box. For the evening look, I made a dinner jacket from Vintage Simplicity pattern number 7044 that was printed in 1985. Now that I look pretty for my hubby, we are off on our way to dinner in celebration of our 13th year of marital bliss. you for watching and celebrating with us. I have more me-made resort wear to share, so be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video.